Alright, so I'm getting started here patching up these holes. With this hole, have a few more things to do. So I'm gonna start here, and then I have a couple doors, bathroom stuff, a couple little things. Alright, that is the first pass right there. You're gonna let this dry a little bit and come right back to it. Alright, so this door is finished. So it was just like dangling or something. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Here, it's like turning, it's like yellowish, a little bit weird. The screen, it's not kind of like, see. And then this is the touch-ups right here that we have to do. All right, we got this one on. Everything is brand new. Perfect. All right, these are the ones for upstairs. Same thing here, same little hookup thing. Then that's the shower rack. All right, so this is how it's looking now. So right here is actually not that bad. It's the door upstairs, but this is what we have here. And there we go. It is all done. Right, so we are 99.99% done. Just gotta do a little bit of painting and a couple other things, but we are officially done. Got the TV up. So we basically have to just paint right here and up here and then over there a little bit. And that's, but yeah, I don't have my son. I got literally rushing because I gotta pick my son up. But this is it. Alright, so we're working on patching up this hole here, but it's actually sagging a bit. So I went a bit further back to here. See the line here? I'm tracing it out right now. So I can then go ahead and start cutting it. And we're also doing a gazebo. I will show you guys in a bit. So we have a pretty good, nice cutout. We're gonna put a 2x4 here and that side, and the same thing back there. That's how we're gonna attach these sides right here. And then we have all these beams running across to connect to. All right, this is the pergola rear. It's all done already. And this is what we have for now.